Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Visual Code or VS Code on Debian Linux systems. Those are like Debian, Ubuntu or Linux Mint or other Debian systems. In this video I am going to show you how to install Visual Code or VS Code on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Let's verify whether this is Ubuntu or not. We are on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. Go to open Firefox, then go to code.visualstudio.com, then docs. See, no need to go to other steps. Simply click on this Debian or RPM. See, Debian is for Debian, Ubuntu or others, but RPM is for Red Hat, Fedora, Rocky Linux, CentOS or other operating system. Click on this .deb package. See, download has been started. Its size is 92 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download has been completed. Now go to terminal. Then run the first command, that is sudo apt get update. If you have already updated, then it will take very less time. Next, see, it's done. Next, run the dependency packages. I have already installed, but run this command. Whatever the commands executed in this video are available in the video description. Clear screen. Now go to downloads directory. See, here we have the code AMD Debian package. Before that, let's verify whether VS Code is there or not. Visual, okay, nothing is there. VS, so there is no Visual Studio Code. Now install the Visual Studio Code by running the command. Simply this one, sudo apt install, then file name, sudo apt install, file name is code. Okay, press enter. Now verify VS C. Ignore the error. Go to show applications, then search for VS. See, Visual Code. See the application here, Visual Studio Code, or simply run Visual Studio. See, this is the application. Click on it. See, this is the Visual Studio Code application. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version. The process is same for all Debian Linux distros. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.